Welcome to this update video based on our webinar trades from last week Wednesday. We planned a trade on the euro dollar, and as you can see, this was on the 20th last week Wednesday in our Missions to Millions webinar. And we planned a trade on the euro dollar. We had two trade plans based on the fundamentals. So the first was if we had sort of positive data out of the Eurozone and some softening data in the US, which we did have towards the beginning of last week and the ending of the previous week, we would buy the euro versus the dollar above 111.90. We had a first target of around 112.80, and then if it continued above there, we would get out the next point of resistance, which would have been the 113.75. On the back of the data coming out of the US becoming more hawkish and dovish data in the Eurozone, we would expect a weakening of the euro versus the dollar, and we would initiate a sell below 110.40 with a predicted target of 107.61, the next major support level. So that was the plans from last week Wednesday. So where we are today, well, we had initial buy as we had some data that was coming out of the Eurozone that was fairly positive, and the US data was beginning to soften, as I said earlier, and therefore we had initial buy. But then things changed. We had some strong negative data in the Eurozone. Really positive data came out of the US that really changed the sentiment in the market, and we got stopped out of our long position, which was fine. We managed our risk, and then we had a sell signal which was below our 110.40, so most of us in the group initiated a sell signal in the euro dollar, and it's come down, and today still currently up about 133 pips, as you can see. We're on our way down to the technical target of 107.61. Percentage target locked in. Here's my stop, which is locking in around about 41 pips of profit is locked in at the moment above today's high. That's in a nice safe place. And, you know, unless something drastically fantastic comes out against for the euro today and followed by some negative data, this is unlikely to reverse today. So we can expect still the euro to finish negative today versus the dollar, and maybe some continuation tomorrow. So that's where we are with the trade at the moment. I'm not ready to take profits. I have a guaranteed profit in here at the moment. I will manage the trade, and if we just go down to the smaller time frame, you will see that I've got my stop here above this swing high over here. I could tighten up a little bit, but I'm just going to give this thing a little bit more room to work. And you know, we have a little while to go still to get to our technical target or somewhere near the technical target. So we'll keep that on and maybe try to review this tomorrow or so, depending on what happens in the markets. If I need to take profit out because the markets change, I will do and try and update you on that. Otherwise, we'll try and keep this on for tomorrow. So thanks for joining me for this quick update. If you want to get involved, www.mtalive.com.